What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing this old exhaust. Now this was actually from a scooter, and I'll be replacing it with this brand new Yoshimura pipe. It is so nice. I got a great deal on it as well. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. Just gotta figure out exactly how I'm gonna mount it. But what is really nice is that it came with this little adapter piece that I'm going to have to cut because the diameter on that is just a little bit too small to fit over the existing exhaust. I also noticed one of the rivets on the plate was missing, so I went ahead and put that back on, getting it looking nice and fresh.